Decoding the phrase, revise. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a word that many students often come across, especially when preparing for exams or working on assignments. The word is revise. By the end of this video, you'll understand the various shades of meaning this word holds and how to use it correctly. The word revise originally stems from Latin, where re means again, and visere means to look. In its essence, to revise is to look again or to re-examine something. Example, before publishing her book, the author decided to revise the final chapter. In many English-speaking countries, when students say they are going to revise, they mean they're going to review or study material they've already learned, especially in preparation for an exam. Example, Sarah is going to revise her notes for the history exam tomorrow. Revise can also mean to make corrections, improvements, or updates to something, usually a piece of writing or a plan. Example 1. The engineer had to revise the blueprints after finding a structural flaw. Example 2. After receiving feedback from her editor, the writer decided to revise the first 3 chapters of her novel. Beyond education and corrections, revise can be used in various other contexts, all circling back to the idea of re-examining or altering something. Example, the committee will revise the guidelines to make them more user-friendly. So there you have it. The term revise isn't just confined to the realm of education. It's a versatile word that can be used in many scenarios, always hinting at the act of looking at something again, whether to study it, correct it, or modify it. We hope this video has clarified the different uses of revise for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.